Hey everyone, Sack here. Wouldn't you've made something, like a lazy reptile for example? It's a shame to leave it behind. So, here's how you can see this screen.
Why don't you try expending some mental energy? Read a book or something.
Oh, okay, cool.
Oh my, I shouldn't know that.
Shoot. Not my date.
I'll go get the gecko. Nom, you're coming with me, and Patents Stand, you take care of Allie. So, I'll be right back.
No problem.
Yeah, I got it! You don't have to tell me twice.
Come on Nom, let's go on. Oh, what is this?
Huh?
I think it's a gecko. I'll catch it. Jeez. You're making me mad. I got you. Hee-Hee. Look guys, I got the gecko.
Checkmate.
Ooh. That's beautiful.
Okay, there is no time to explain. Let's connect gecko into cartoon lizard. Here it goes.
Hold on tight.
Can we search it, please?
Checkmate.
Check this out. It's Cartoon Lizard from Turbosquid.
That's right.
Alright. Keep up the good work.
The lizard is going to pick up the teapot. Now, let's watch a preview. Wow, you're doing a good job. Hee-Hee.
Checkmate.
Yesterday, Nate ordered Cartoon Logo Lizard from 3ds Max for $25. Cartoon Lizard model was released in November 12, 2008. So, Lizard was the first appearance. He appears on Sackboy animated series in Season 4, 2009. He was the recurring role. He was voiced by, who is he? IBM Watson Michael. Thanks. I'll be out there if you need me. We'll see you on the next video.
Okay, I'm leaving now.
All right.
Well, the sucking was improved.